Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you are going to learn a forecasting. Topic I have discussed in this video are what is forecasting, methods of forecasting, process of forecasting and benefit of forecasting. Let's start the video. Forecasting is a technique for predictions of the directions of future trends based on analysis of past and present data. Businesses use forecasting to determine how to allocate their plan for anticipated expenses for an upcoming period of time. Basically, it is a decision-making tool that helps business cope with the impact of the future uncertainty. By examining historical data and trends, it is a planning tool that enables businesses to chart their next moves, the create budget that will hopefully cover whatever uncertainties may occur. Now come to the methods of forecasting. Companies choose between two basic methods when they want to predict what can happen in this future, namely qualitative and quantitative methods. First, quantitative methods. Qualitative methods is also known as the judgment methods. Qualitative forecasting offers subjective result as it is comprised of personal judgment by expert or forecasters. Qualitative forecasts are often biased because they are based on the expert knowledge, experience and rely on data. One example is when a person's forecast the outcome of the football game, which is based more on personal motivations and interest. Second one is quantitative methods. The quantitative methods of forecasting is the mathematical process, making it consistent and objectives oriented. It drives away from basing the result on opinion and feelings. It instead of utilizing large amount of data and figures that are interpreted process of forecasting. Forecasters need to follow a careful process in order to generate accurate result. Let's discuss some steps in the process. Step 1, develop of the forecasting. The first step is involve process in developing the basis of the investigations of the company's conditions and identifying where the business is currently standing in the market. Step 2, estimate the future operations of the business. Based on the investigations carried out during the first step, the second part of forecasting involves estimating the future conditions of the industry where the business operates and projecting how the company will handle. Step 3, regulate the forecast. This involves looking at different forecasts in the past and comprising them with the actual impact that happened with the business, then analyzes difference in previous result and current forecast, and then the reasons for the deviations are considered. The last is review of the process. Every step is checked and they made refinement and modifications. Now move on the benefit of forecasting. First, helps to predict the future. It gives management a general idea of what to expect. This provides the company with a sense of directions which will allow it to functions better in the marketplace. Second, good for customers. If a company can predict demand, it is more likely to make sure its products are always available. There is a greater chance of meeting orders and delivering on time. Third, keeps a company up to date. Businesses that forecast regularly must think ahead all the time. This helps them anticipate changing market trends. Fourth, learn from past experience. Gathering and analyzing past data helps people remembers what worked previously and what didn't. Learning from experiencing strengthens. Fifth, receiving financing. If the company need a loan for a project, the bank will need information about the future such as sales, profits, etc. The bank needs that data before it will consider approving the loan. Like the video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.